Prime Minister Modi has wrapped up the third India-Nordic summit, which was held in Norway's capital. During the joint statement after the summit, Prime Minister Modi said that India would merge its scale with the expertise of the Nordic nations when it came to green technology, and together both sides would work for the betterment of the planet. Listen to this.
आज हमने भारत और नॉर्डिक संबंधों को ग्रीन टेक्नोलॉजी एंड इनोवेशन स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप का स्वरूप देने का निर्णय लिया है। इस ग्रीन टेक्नोलॉजी पार्टनरशिप से हम आइसलैंड की जियोथर्मल और फिशरीज, नॉर्वे की ब्लू इकोनॉमी और आर्कटिक और सभी नॉर्डिक देशों की मैरीटाइम और सेंसिटिविटी में एक्सपर्टीज को, सस्टेनेबिलिटी की एक्सपर्टीज को भारत के स्केल के साथ जोड़कर पूरे विश्व के लिए एक बेहतर भविष्य सुनिश्चित करेंगे।
Before the summit, Prime Minister Modi held back-to-back bilaterals with the leaders of Iceland, Finland and Denmark. Prime Minister Modi said that during his meeting with Iceland's Prime Minister, they discussed improving ties in areas like clean energy, fisheries, sustainability, geothermal energy, carbon capture and storage, and other sectors. And during his meeting with the Danish Prime Minister, he said they spoke about expanding cooperation in sectors like water resources, clean energy, shipping and food processing. He added that he had invited the Danish pension funds to expand their investments in India. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Modi's meeting with Finland's Prime Minister involved discussions on working together in sectors like AI, education, nuclear energy, and 6G and more. It was after these bilaterals that Prime Minister Modi attended the India-Nordic Summit. And with the summit now wrapped up, Prime Minister Modi is now headed to Italy for the final leg of his 5-nation tour. Prime Minister Modi will be landing in Rome soon, and he will then be going on to have meetings with the Italian leadership as well. And for more on these developments, our Assistant Editor Foreign Affairs, Siddhant Sipul, getting us this report.
Third India-Nordic Summit was the last major engagement of the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his 2-day Norway visit. This was the first ever visit of an Indian Prime Minister to this country in over 40 years. Now, essentially, when it comes to the India-Nordic Summit, focus was on blue economy, on green hydrogen, and on mobility as well, with the Nordics keen on getting highly skilled Indian workers. Now, essentially, both sides want to build on each other's strength. India has a scale. The Nordic countries have technology, especially when it comes to clean technology and renewables, and focus also on bilateral relationship. The Indian Prime Minister had bilateral engagement with all Nordic countries, including with the host Prime Minister, the Norwegian Prime Minister. And we saw that both sides, India and Norway, elevating their relationship to green strategic partnership. This is the second ever green strategic partnership India has with any country after Denmark. And now from this visit, the 2-day visit, Prime Minister travels to Italy. That concludes Prime Minister's 5-nation tour, where focus was on UAE and building relationship with the European region. Siddhant Sipul for WION in Oslo, Norway.
To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.